In this video we are going to see how to make a end knot. So after completing few stitches, make this last chain little bigger and hold it with your middle finger. So beside the last stitch, take one more stitch and bring this second chain into the first chain. Gently give a rotate and now hold the zari thread which is visible now near the needle. So hold it with your needle and now pull down the thread you are holding under the frame. Now one of the chain stitch gets closer, right? So before it gets too closed, leave this one as well and pull down the thread you are holding under the frame. So both the chains will get interlocked and you will get an end knot.